At the risk of sounding self-serving, I will say that it is very important to have a lawyer in an immigration process. And I will tell you why. First of all, immigration is a very complicated, very regulated, it's a complex field with the law changing constantly and the procedures changing constantly. And one mistake could result in delays. It could even result in the immigrant or the prospective immigrant being barred from the United States forever, becoming inadmissible. It could mean if the prospective immigrant is here in the United States, it could mean if a mistake is done or the work is not done correctly, it could mean the incarceration of the immigrant and possible deportation. And all this could occur from just a simple mistake. So yes, I would say that an attorney is very important for your immigration practice. Now, the second reason that I would like to point out is that, look, I am not in a position to tell you, I mean, you don't need me to tell anybody how important their case is. However, what I would like to point out is that many attorneys, when they are faced with immigration challenges, these are attorneys who are not doing immigration law, but when they're faced with immigration issues, they routinely turn to immigration lawyers in order to find solution for those problems. They don't do it themselves. Why? Because they recognize that it is very regulated, it is very complex, and therefore they realize that they need a person who is experienced in immigration law. So, if an attorney thinks that they will be better served by hiring an immigration attorney, shouldn't you be concerned about that? Finally, the point I'd like to make is that the only reason that I can think of that a person not hiring an attorney for their immigration matters is financial. Attorneys can cost a lot of money. We have developed a system or a way of working in our office, a pricing structure where it will be very affordable. Instead of the thousands of dollars that a person may be paying for immigration services to an attorney, we have broken that down to in the hundreds. In fact, it would be so affordable that not hiring an attorney at the prices that we have developed would be an unwise move financially.